Hello beautiful, so we are doing very fine. If you're new here and you've not yet subscribed, kindly I'm requesting you to subscribe. And if you are a returnee and you've not yet subscribed, kindly, my beautiful person, kindly just subscribe, because you have more yet to watch on this YouTube channel. You have more yet to learn on this YouTube channel. There are some few steps that you need to learn also on this my YouTube channel. So my friend, my dear friend, my dear returnee, and my dear viewer, if you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe. Kindly subscribe, like the video, share the video, comment on the video. And also don't forget to share. So on here I've partitioned it in a box braid, then I've divided into two, that one box braid, and then I've taken my braid, let me bring it clearer to you, then like that, then I divided into two, that one side, then this other side I picked it like that, fix it on the scalp, pulled up the sides. As you can see, I've pulled up the side so that I can cover the knot that is always formed by a braid. When you crisscross two braids, it forms three. When you crisscross two braids, it forms three strands, right? Then I have covered it inside the hair. When I was partitioning it into two. I entered it inside the two strands of two, inside the two parts of the hair, right? Then let's say about this other two, how I'm going to do about it. And then you will see, you will learn on how to fix it without putting a knot, without putting it a round knot, without using a one fixed knot. Me, I've used two instead of one fixing one knot, all right? And then it will be like this. It is a jumbo, this is not a jumbo braid, this is a, what do we call this one? This one is a medium fixed braid. So let's see, I've divided into three, 1, 2, 3, right? Then I kept it in the center. One has gone to that side, the other one that side, the third one, the second, and the third. Have you seen? And then the knot is in the middle. Used my thumb finger to hold in firm inside the scalp. I'm not using a lot of force. I'm just reluctant. Then I picked it with the fingertip or the other index finger. Use the other fingertip of the index finger and the thumb finger, crisscrossed. Use the middle finger to pin it down. Okay, after pinning it down, I make sure I have not removed my fingers until I make 3 knots. The second knot, the third knot. You see, now I've come out of the finger, I've come out of the of the scalp, right? Sorry. Then here we go. We have formed a very firm fixed hair braid on the client. So enjoy the rest of the video, and don't forget to subscribe. In case of any question, please don't forget to comment on the section bar, and if it is interesting, please just like it. Don't dislike it, because I know I've noticed. Don't worry about the don't worry about, sorry about that one. Don't worry about the camera. Next time we'll keep it up as we continue. For now, let's use what we have. Bye bye.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed. fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you want.